Hey guys, Sean from South Detroit Customs again, back with another video. This video, like I promised, is going to be on the plasma cutter and the welder combo that I bought. If you haven't watched my other videos yet, you can jump back to the very first video I made, and it's a kind of story why I'm doing all these videos. But I said that, and I've always said, I'm just an average guy, full-time job, wife, kids, and bills. So I wanted to start a new project, which I got, 53 Chevy. Gonna work on that, and I needed to buy some stuff, and I said I needed a new welder because my old welder, which is right here, and it was in the other video. Yep, that's it. Good old Harbor Freight Special. It does have a bottle on it, so I can weld with it. Well, pretty good with it actually. Had that welder for 14 years. I've done multiple cars with it. I mean, tons and tons of stuff. It's just knowing how to use it, you know, knowing the machine, fine-tuning it, and getting it to work with your steel. Great machine. I actually killed it. I totally killed it. It just doesn't arc properly anymore, and it's not worth rebuilding. So I did it. I went and bought a combo package. My budget, like I had said before, I didn't want to spend like, I want to spend like $500-600 on a welder, and maybe $1,000 if I could get a package. And I found a package, and here it is. Here's the package that I showed earlier. There it is. Eastwood Plasma 20 and the MP200i. We'll be unboxing those here and showing you what comes in them. Haven't even opened them yet, so we'll find out together what's in them. Stay tuned.